Shower valves might not be the first thing on your mind when you think about bathroom renovations or upgrades. However, they play a crucial role in ensuring your showering experience is as pleasant and safe as possible. Homeowners often encounter a choice between two types of shower valves: the thermostatic valve and the pressure balance valve. Thermostatic valves offer precise temperature control, ideal for consistent, safe shower experiences, while pressure balance valves maintain stable temperatures by balancing water pressure, providing a cost-effective solution against sudden temperature changes. The choice depends on budget and preference for temperature accuracy versus cost. This article aims to provide a comprehensive comparison of these two options, helping you make an informed decision for your bathroom. In any plumbing system, the role of a valve is fundamental. At its core, a valve is a device that regulates, directs, or controls the flow of a fluid by opening, closing, or partially obstructing various passageways. When it comes to shower systems, the importance of valves becomes even more pronounced. A well-functioning valve ensures a steady temperature and flow, providing a comfortable and safe showering experience. A thermostatic valve is a sophisticated device in plumbing systems designed to control the temperature of water output, such as in showers or faucets, to a precise level, regardless of fluctuations in the water supply temperature or pressure. Key features of a thermostatic valve include temperature regulation, safety, and efficiency. The operation of a thermostatic valve centers around a thermal element or thermostat within the valve. This thermostat expands or contracts in response to changes in the temperature of the water flowing through it. A pressure balance valve is a type of plumbing valve that plays a crucial role in maintaining a consistent water temperature in your shower or bathtub, even as the water pressure fluctuates due to other uses of water in your home. Key features of a pressure balance valve include pressure adjustment, simplicity and reliability, and cost-effectiveness. The mechanism of a pressure balance valve is relatively simple: balancing pressure, immediate response, and safety feature. When choosing between a thermostatic valve and a pressure balance valve for your shower system, it's essential to understand how each function and their respective benefits and limitations. Temperature control. Thermostatic valve offers precise temperature control. Pressure balance valve reacts to changes in water pressure to maintain a stable temperature. Safety features. Thermostatic valve provides a high level of safety against scalding. Pressure balance valve also offers protection against scalding by maintaining consistent water pressure. Installation process. Thermostatic valve typically more complex and may require professional installation. Pressure balance valve generally simpler to install. Cost consideration. Thermostatic valve tends to be more expensive. Pressure balance valve more budget-friendly. The decision between a thermostatic and pressure balance valve ultimately depends on your specific needs, preferences, and budget.